going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a steam cleaner. It comes with these two gloves right here, microfiber towel, polishing cover right here, and then you have all these special attachments. You have the wand right here, so it's two AAA batteries you will need. I know that's kind of weird, but it is what it is. You use the batteries for the nozzle, and then you need electricity for the unit right here. One thing I am going to say, for your safety, make sure you wear the gloves. It do get steamy, it gets hot, okay, very hot. So that's one warning that I have to give out to y'all, because I was around it and I was like, wow, it's a lot of steam. So yeah, that's it with that. Now we're going to get here. You can put water in through here, and when you're done, you have a drain plug right here. And when you put it back, just make sure it's on tight so no water will come out. So now we're going to put some water in. Hold the button down and you got to wait for it to kick in. Now you see we have our spot. I normally use the spot cleaner, but I'm going to use the steam cleaner and see what happens. Smell like iron. You know when you iron your clothes? Now again, I'm using straight water, you guys. Straight water. I didn't use no chemicals. But from what we had, you see some spots came clear or came out clear. All right. So it's pretty decent. Me personally, I will still just use the spot cleaner. All right, you guys, now we're in one of the most hated places to clean, the oven, right? So you have all of these cool attachments. Again, they give you your brushes. So if you come against a rough spot, maybe you can use your brush to use it. But another cool thing they give us is scrapers. These scrapers right here, pretty cool. You see it has a hole right there so the steam could come out. But if you come into a rough spot into your oven, you can just scrape and do what you got to do. Okay. This one they gave us, but this seems more like for like maybe windows and stuff like that, because it has this squeegee part right here. Okay. Or glass or whatever. And I'm going to use the original. So I'm going to use the nose right here and just see how much dirt will come off just from steam alone. All right. And again, we're only using water. I am not using chemicals. Starting it up. Remember, it takes a while. Come on. All right, there we go. So, showing y'all right now. And you see it's removing some of that junk. All right, you guys, so we're here with the scraper. Here. So yep, definitely got it up right there. I saw the dirt run down. Yep, you see it's coming off. All right, you guys, and the journey don't stop here, but it will stop here for this unit right here. You still want to get your spray, whatever chemical you use to clean out your oven. But remember, this is just a tool to get out the hard stuff, okay? It's not a tool to actually clean your oven. You still have to use some type of chemical to clean your oven. But other than that, that will be it. Now, again, with this, I wouldn't rely with this to do your fabric, okay? Whatever you're doing, your car fabric or your island chairs, couch, whatever, use the spot cleaner for that. Steam cleaner is good to get all of this gunk and stuff off of nice surfaces, smooth surfaces like this. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.